So today, let's talk about a common error in repairing appliances. Now, today I had somebody telling me that the broken wash machine was a Samsung wash machine. And over they kept telling me it was a Samsung. And I said, are you sure it's not an LG? Because I think the one you have is an LG. And of course, they didn't go look at it, and they kept swearing up and down it's a Samsung. So when I get there and I look at it, it's an LG. And the whole issue was they kept telling me what the error code was. And the error code said it was a switch problem with the incoming hot water line or the water level sensor, because the error code that it was given, if you looked it up under the Samsung manufacturer, that's what it said. But when you find out it's actually an LG, the same error code in an LG says it is the drain pump that pumps the wastewater out of the wash machine. So error codes are not universal across manufacturers. So it's incredibly important when you're working on appliances that you know the manufacturer brand. So when the machine gives you the digital error code, you look up the correct issues. Because if you don't have the right manufacturer, it won't tell you the right error with the code. Now, luckily for that product, it took me a while, but I found an actual LG part for that pump. So I was fortunate on that, because it's going to take about 5 days to get that part. But recently, with other appliances I've worked on, some of the parts are 30, 40, 60 days out, or up to 6 months out, or they just don't even make the part anymore. So what I've noticed is a lot of appliances are being junked because the manufacturer just discontinued the parts. So part of the supply chain issue are decisions by manufacturers to forego production of repair parts for certain items because they don't have the capacity to produce them. So please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.